guys, how's it going? I'm Sej, and in this video, we are going to talk about Blup Sheets, aka Blup's pre-built backend. And if you want to connect your own backend or API, then you can do that also in the Logics panel, but that is going to be covered in another video. Today, we are going to discuss about Blup's provided backend, which is built on top of AWS. So you could build big enterprise grade applications and small apps as well. So if I talk about Blup's backend, it is useful if you are looking for fast and robust backend and you don't want to spend time and money to manage your own backend system. And what happens is, because it is built on top of AWS, it scales the application that you are creating and the amount of users that you are going to have on the application. This backend is going to manage all of it for you and in a very simple manner. So let's see how it works. So this is the backend system. So if you go over here, click on the backend, you can view it. So as you can see, it is divided into two parts. So one is Sheets and another is the SQL. Sheets is like the table structures. Over here, you can store all the data that is coming from the application. To store the data, you have to define tables, and those tables have rows and columns. So columns are just the bifurcation of the data that is coming from the application, and you can store them in multiple columns so that you can fetch that data and make some queries later on when you need in the application. So if I just go to the users tab, so you could see over here, I have the email, name, picture, URL, and a lot more things you can add. And if I talk about the SQL queries, over here, you can create your own SQL queries as the name suggests. Over here, you can fetch the data, add, insert the data, update it, delete it, whatever you want, you can do it as you can do in any kind of a SQL based backend system. Plus over here, what happens is everything happens in real time. So you can choose to make it real time. And through that, you can create application like chats, real-time monitoring kind of system, anything that you want to work in a real-time fashion, you can do it over here. And so we will cover more about SQL queries later in another video. But right now, let's just focus majorly on the Sheets, and we will see what all the features are there which we can use in the Sheets, and we will go through them one by one so that you get a complete understanding of how Sheets work, how the tables work, and everything in that we are going to cover in the next video. So I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.